Okay, I'm going to do a chuck roast on the Oakmont pellet grill. I used black pepper, sea salt, Meat Church Holy Cow barbecue rub, which I like. I injected it with some, let's look in here. I injected it with some beef tallow. Kind of a rainy day. So this is not the ideal conditions, but this is the time I have, so we're gonna use it. Oh, I forgot. It was windy. It was blowing this thing off, believe it or not. Okay, so here we're just preparing the grill to get get it fired up and get it preheated. There's my smoke tube. Gonna get that fired up. This time my propane torch didn't run out of propane. That makes things nicer. So here we're preheating it. I'm bringing it up to 225. Gonna put the roast in and then monitor it. And this cook took quite a while. Okay, so this is about an hour. I come out here to spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. And as you can see, the smoke tube's working and I'm coughing. But yeah, trying to keep it moist. I did inject this with some beef tallow, just so you know. This is beef bouillon, and it works really well. So again, so I'm just spritzing this with the beef bouillon. This is the type that you boil up and you take a tablespoon and put in there for a cup. Works well if you can get it out of the bottle. Okay, this is about after 4 hours. We're getting ready to wrap it. I brought it up to like 160 degrees, and then gonna go out and get it and wrap it. Okay, so I have the roast in here. If you look closely, you can see I have little wireless thermometer in there that it's an IQ Chef or something like that. I don't know if I like it or not, but it is Wi-Fi enabled, so I can be gone and monitor the cook. Anyway, so I spritz it up. I'm going to put some butter on there, wrap it, and it'll go back on the grill. Boy, the bark on this was set really well. And spoiler alert, it was awesome. But continuing with it, this is some more beef broth. And here in a sec, I put some pads of butter on there and get her out there to bring it back up to temperature. So after I put this out back on the smoker, I cut up some red potatoes, put them on a cookie sheet, and put them out there. So I had a side dish. So we cranked the smoker up to 350 to get this up to 205 degrees. I did that, brought it out, and it's resting now. So the potatoes continue to cook. I actually cranked this up to 450 to get them finished while the roast was resting. So here everything is, and we're going to do an unveiling of this this spectacular chuck roast. All right, so this thing needs to be unwrapped. Oh my goodness. Here I'm dumping the drippings into the potatoes, which heck, sure tasted good. All right, so this has been about a six and a half hour cook. I let this rest long because the potatoes weren't done. The potatoes didn't get in on time, so my fault. It's really good. Yeah. I'm going to have dinner. Hey, thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you further on down the trail.